Hey guys, we're just gonna unbox this plus show you the difference between these and the original ones that we got with our PlayStation 4. A lot of you even want to use these for your PlayStation 5, which is fine. It works just fine. So regardless which PlayStation you're getting this for, they're gonna work. So these are the ones that we just got from Amazon. The link will be here in the description. And that's how they look like. And they do have the PlayStation symbol there. So they actually look pretty legit. And they just look like the original ones. Now let's compare it to the original that came with our PlayStation 4. Here is the original, and as you guys can see, maybe the plastic went off. Actually, yeah. So these are the originals, and these are the ones that I got from Amazon. I can see that, and I didn't notice that from before. Plastic came off the originals, so you can't really compare that. So let's compare the volume part about it, because now we can see if they look similar or the same. They look pretty similar. Now for something that's new, this looks kind of weird. It almost looks like it's been used. And here's the other side, and that's it. So they do look identical, the original ones versus these Amazon ones. And they're not that expensive. Some of you do need these because they're just more comfortable, and especially for your setup, sometimes you do need to purchase these. So these are my replacements. Hopefully they will last, and we're gonna test them out later on. Anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, we're all done. If you guys want to watch the review and see these guys in action, let me know. I do have a video about that. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.